was about Chili Bites. Hey!
What's happening? Ayun! Sakotlo yun nampahla.
Chili Bites ngangimsaba wonke umuntu wayesaba i-character Chili Bites because sasifile sengathi inzima.
Ha, Chili Bites! Chili Bites uyintsha! Uyintsha Chili Bites!
Quick one. How much were you paid for the role?
For the role? Ngangithola i-role the whole thing.
Yeah.
Ngathola 10K.
10,000.
Yeah, 10,000 for i-role Chili Bites. But that 10,000 was a big man for me because the reason why ngisho njalo ngangumuntu oqala othola imali engako kwi-family yami yasekhaya.
Tsepang, how are you?
I'm good, sir. How are you?
Fantastic, man.
Yes, sir.
How are you feeling, man?
I'm excited. I'm super excited because this is my first time interview or podcast.
Yeah. A lot of people, they look at you, I'm sure they're like, this guy looks familiar.
Yeah, ne. Chili Bites uyintsha. I'm sure.
Yeah. Mr. Chili Bite. Hey, my man, thank you so much, man. Thank you so much for the entertainment that you gave us.
Yeah.
I don't know how old I was when I watched that movie.
Yes.
And, you know, you are literally, in that movie, you were literally that guy whom everybody didn't like. But for me, that was such an inspiration that to see that a young person can actually be on TV and act.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. How's it going, man?
Okay, ngingasho ukuthi industry-wise, ngokwe-industry, okay, definitely ngokwe-industry kunzima yabo. Into engayisho le industry le ngikuyona inzima, or maybe ngingathi industry, mhlawumbe wonke ama-industry ayafana, but le ngikuyona acting, inzima kakhulu bulu.
Ne?
Yeah.
How did you get the role on Zululam as Chili Bite?
I-role yeZululami ngayithola ngisafunda e-primary Bonisanani Primary School. So kwakune production ivuleka production yayihamba ifuna ingane ithungathi ingane izikole ngezikole ehlukahlukene emalokishini baze bafika nasesikoleni sami yila bafike bangithola khona basenzisa ama audition basiculisa into eyimnandi ukuthi ke babefike bethi uneminyaka emingaki mase ngiyasho ukuthi hayi mina ngina 13 because babefuna ingane ezino 10 kuya ku 13 iminyaka, but mina ngaleso sikhathi ngase ngiwudlulile umnyaka lo babeyifuna, but ngangimfishane mangifika ke bafike esikoleni bafika ukuthi mina ngikho ke mina ngise breakini uyazi ke mawingane isikole kuyazula udlale, but ke kwathiwa hayi no siyanibona ukuthi ke ingane niyitholile ingane ezifuna kodwa kunale ngane le shodayo lengane neshoda esingayiboni la asicingeni la isikole sonke size sithole. So hayi maze ngifika ingane ziyangibheka zangithola zithi yethepang yethepang uyakufuna uthisha omkhulu. Uyazi uma ufuna uyiprincipal ke esikoleni uhlezi ushaya uvala uthi hawe magazi ngiyenzini. Uyazi nezingane ke zihlezi zifika kwena and mabuza uthisha omkhulu ke ingane azinandaba ukuthi ukubizelana kodwa uma bekutshela uthi uthisha omkhulu yakubiza uyabona hawe nikazi sengenzeni hayi man mangifika manje e-library because sasine library esikoleni mangifika e-library ngafika abanye abantwana sebekhona sebegcwele and mangingena nje bangibuka wonke umuntu ubuka mina ngiyasho ngishawa amahloli tsish ngenzeni manje but I interest ukuthi ngabona ama camera yabo ama camera mangaka nabelungu. So I director ke Mr. Madoda Ncayana, the director of iZululami, angihlalise phansi athi uneminyaka emingaki ngiqamba amanga ngisho nje iminyaka emincane athi okay uyakwazi ukucula ngithi mina yes ngiyakwazi ukucula athi cula ke mpanami hayi sicule sonke ngoba sasiculiso kwathiwa sicula ingoma ke kuthiwa sithi ehla amathambo ebheke ezansi enyuka amathambo ebheke phezulu. So uyona ngoma sasiculayo and mina ngaleso sikhathi ngangenza sure ukuthi ngiyamemeza kunawo wonke umntwana la ngimncane ngimfishane kodwa labantu engicula nabo bade nami angibonakali nevo sami ngifile ngathi ayizwakali kodwa ngazama ibest. So i-director ilokisi okay hlala phansi hlala phansi hey ngiyabona abantu bayahlaliswa phansi mina ngingakahlali phansi zikhiphani man kuye ngibona inamba ukuthi okay bese kusele mina so sale mina neintomazana mesithi direct okay hambe lapha kula sisu lana ufika akubeka inamba yakho la angibeka inamba bese ke enginikeza ama forms athi lama forms la ufike unikeza abazali bakho nomkhombise uthisha wakho ayeke isinyesike sasingakabi on ngaleso sikhathi ubona nje ibhaliwe kodwa ubona ukubhalweni lana ayeke make after school ngiyonikeza abazali bami iform mayifunda iform yasho ukuthi no ingane yakho i-shortlistiwe kwi-next audition ezobe isendaweni ethize nathize kakusaswe eBesta konda setheni ibizwa ukuthi kaBesta esikolweni ehholo ayimangiya laphana hey akusasikhona kuphela esikoleni sami abantwana engikhompyutha nabo sengikhompyutha nezinkole ezihlukahlukene siyahlangana which means mina ngumuntu represent isikole sami either way what ngihamba nobaba wami baba mangiphelezela baba mangilina waze wakhathala wathi hayi ngeke mfana kunini sifikelana sivuye sivume ekseni kuyoshaya u4 kodwa sila hayi ngiyakushiya mina imali ogibela usuzobuya vele uyakwazi ama-taxi abuyele ekhaya hayi baba yahamba baba ngiperform mangiperforma sibaningana man ezinye ingane zikhuluma over me azinginikeza ispace ukuthi ngikhulume ngivesana mina ngithi hayi ngivele ngime ngigoqe izandla imisithi director uzala awusho why bungaperform ngithi mina hayi ngibone mina abanye abantwana bekhuluma bengangigayi chance ukukhuluma ngavele ngabona ukuthi angivele ngithule what's okay alright sharp kwathiwa abantwana abathathiwe namhlanje bawu5 ngizoqala ngokubala amagama abo number 1 uThepang Mhlomi bekuyigama lami lelo hayi
bakufaka ku number 1
bakufaka ku number 1 elistini nje kuyigama lami oqala kwaku usibona usizwe xaba usizwe xaba uyena ukhukhi end up naye usizwe xaba ukhukhi kuZulu lami bazomkhumbula abamazi ukhukhi usizwe xaba kufike kube yimina mase usizwe xaba mase kuba nabanye ke wow kanjani misa ngitshela direct no yazini when you understand the storyline you understand the acting you understand ukuthi there's no need to talk because which means anlalelananga or understandanga so yaba real ngangatry kuba best ngangatry ukuthi bangibone mina ngikhulume kakhulu ukuze bangibone ukuthi I can act yonke into ayenza sense kumina but was so young ngaleso sikhathi and then phinde nginikezwe enye iform sesiya komgababa kuthiwa mzali mbheki umntwana iform ithi ingane mangabe izovelelwa inkinga kuzoba kunina abazali bami bathi ngeke asiboni thina ukuthi mina siyisayine lento leyo wayizwa lento ithini ithi mangabe uvelelwa inkinga izo responsibility zoba yithini yabo ngikhale la ngeke ngakwazi sayinela lento kumnandi lapha yalo kunama camera lapha ngikhale abazali bagcine bevumile bayisayine iform hayi ngiye mangiya ithi form we gonna be away from home iweekend yonke the nice thing ukuthi siye hotel kwakusuku lami lokuqala ke hotel mangifika hotel yebo ingane engaka lento lena ayipheli kunokuthi ipheli iyanda like ingane ziba more ingishaywa i-stress into emhlungu ke we check in emaroomini yabona ukuthi room nami line TV yabona ukuthi ngisa hotel into abakubambe ngayo bakubamba ukuthi later on tomorrow whatever nizo audition so sekubhlungu yenza sure ukuthi ngiya perfect lento engenza audition ngenza sure because now sina sicabanga ukuthi ngeke mangihleka ngizoshiya le room leli hotel ngibuyele ekhaya hayi ngeke mina ngifight and yababona abanye ochili but bashisa yabona ukuthi kunabanye umkhonqonqo lana yabona hayi lona uchili but ayihlalele no hallo hayi man ngizame kuthiwa later on guys sizokukhola abantu abazohamba babuyele emakubo bababala amagama bababala ezinye ingane zahlanya zakhala kwababuhlungu because abanye sezinene relationship khona la kwababuhlungu bakhala abanye hey kwazanya ukuthi kuthenga izinto ezimnandi ukuthi phela baduduzwe because abanye besekhala usesine relationship esenzile abanye sebekukhalela ukuthi sebeshiya hotel because most of us besiqala ukuhlala kuye ema hotel sonke sasiqala experience into kanjani so mina I was like yo hayi Thembanga ngabizwanga ngisho ukuthi hayi ngiyalala namhlanje hayi ngiyalala ngempela hayi ke kwakushubile ke all the weekend yonke ngishubile akudlalwa nangani kuyaliwa fight game umuntu ulela irole yakhe umuntu ulela uchili bites umuntu ulela uchili bites hayi ngiuthole to make story short isi director Thembanga siyacela ne uzo assist ama auditions amantombazana uzoba iprop you gonna be a prop uzoba ulekelela amantombazana amantombazana iwona azobe auditioning amantombazana awu40 so mina yathi mangena ku audition uyathi director hayi uzohlala nami la etafuleni mina la wena iproducer kokuJulie Fredericks unkosikazi umama nje umlungu wase France but ula eSouth Africa the producer of the film ngihlale phana nendawo understand ngisayingani ukuthiwa mina ispan sami mina ukuthi ngishaya times up futhi maybe audition ngizothi mina time ngqala isikhathi bese times up zingena amantombazana angena ngithi times up angena times up angena gcina sokuthiwa Thembanga mangene intombazana uzoyilekelela uzoba uchili bites wena uzoyiharasa mayiperform lokuyitshela awukahle bla bla ngiyisupport kuma lines ngiyisupport I think aba support amantombazana u40 wonke ngayiqeda enjoy because into engiyithanda hayi man inkinga nakho sikhipane man ngihamba nama direct lapho irole ya Chili Bites ngakayithola I'm still auditioning still on the process of audition just give sayingana I don't know what's going on hayi sibuye siye kwenye indawo yebo same mase kufika isikhathi webike hayi bafethu this is a final one i-director i-producer ithi take it or leave it ayizili uzohleka namhlanje ayende ayi serious namhlanje ngalela langa i-director yayi serious ingahleki hey nawe nje uhlezi uyibona idlalisa nje hayi namhlanje kangadlalwa namuntu hayi singena siphume sinesidedelana engene isikhathi sami engishaya iqhaqhazela hey try guys don't call us we will call you satho ngemoto siswe emakhaya ayisahlekana emotweni siyagwarana uthi khona uzolala khona ngekazabuye bla 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 yonke lonto khona uzosala hey ize nakimini uthi uzosala Thembanga hey shawuvalo hayi siya esikoleni umuntu aqhubeke nokufunda esikoleni liphela isonto lokuqala no calls lesibili ingene call mangibuye esikoleni mangitshela ekhaya uthi hayibo bafonile abelungu bakho bathi hayi uyadingeka bakuthathile wow
yeah
okay fine maybe ngithatha okay I mean sengiyazi ukuthi I'm casted bangenze ngibe ukhwezi ngenze role ya khwezi ngifunda ukhwezi sonto lonke ngaza ama lines akhwezi ngiwaqede siye ema rehearsals hayi sibuyele ekhaya kube kufona uthi Thembanga you no longer being a crazy usuzoba ukhukhi okay alright isikhuki hey bangineze script sakhuki funda ukhukhi ngimazi ngimshaye kwenziwe ngisho nama trailer ngishoot phela isonto ngibuyele ekhaya phela isonto uthi hayi Thembanga no longer be a cookie man usuzoba survive how survive I almost finished wonke ama characters eZulu lami ngawa ama scripts akho nawa finish wonke beloke bengishintsha last time bathi Thembanga bafika straight ekhaya bathi Thembanga sizoxolisa lana this is a final one uzoba uchili bites so Chili Bites uChili Bites ngake msaba wonke umuntu wayesaba i-character Chili Bites because sasifile sengathi inzima but no uzoba Chili Bites mina ngase ngifrustrated ngithi ish isikhathi singaka because iscript siba singaka I think iscript sasifunda sasingaka and kwakumele sifunde sonke usazi ngekhanda ngathi bathi kodwa we know sepa ukuthi sine week A1 we have our last week the following weekend kuyashootwa so that's how we know we trust you uzoba Chili Bites yeah ngokwenza Chili Bites then what happened bangenzisa research about ama street kid sahamba saya emgwaqweni ebusuku sichecka sibuza ama street kid ukuthi aphila kanjani awukha kanjani bakhuluma kanjani nje ngibabuza nami ngisho uthi ngokha kanje ngoba ngaze ngibe street kid mina ngiphila nabazali ngisabusekile basaphila nje leyo mpilo asemgwaqweni ngiyazi kodwa i-production yasilekelela ukuthi ke istravelise sisemgwaqweni saya kwenye indawo yama-orphanage safike sahlala khona KZN babe good labana lama street kid ayenza surfing bane talent le surfing but sasamahlane nabo basitshele ibona ukuthi labantwana laba ama street kid bangakubame inkonzo basitshele nama stories ukuthi eyibona hey banokuthi nje uthi hawu uTshepo hawu ube khona izolo akasekho uzohamba isonto lonke because ibingane ezikanjani ama street kid sometimes biba khona uyibona ngathi bakhona 3 days nyana ayisekho kuqiqisa ibuyile kokho abantu abanjalo abubone nje leyo mpilo loyo so ngafunda lapho ukuthi uChili Bites okay uChili Bites wami ngambona ekhanda it's okay uChili Bites lo ngayipractice kwafika isuku lokushutha temnani kwathi hayi sizoba away from home from inyanga namasonto ambalo ngijabulisa ke one ukuthi angeke ngibe sesikolweni uyazi uma
bacelile
esikolweni uyazi uma umntwana esikole hayi abantwana esikole abasithanda sandi nami ngangi one of those ayi esikoleni ngizobe ngiseshuthini ngenza into engiyithandayo yo that was a good moment enganginayo and any moment esibili ngibhukhelwe ihotela ngizoba sehotela for inyanga yonke namasonto ambalwana yo into eyithusa kakhulu kwathiwa khululekani sebhangi sizonitholela uthisha abazonifundisa emsebenzini wow umuntu uzofundisa emsebenzini ngeke umuntu afunde eseklasini wow inkinga ilana umlungu kodwa uzonifundisa isingisi man hey kodwa itemnandi sasifunda kamnandi ngoba sasifunda 3 subjects a day sasifunda ilanguage nemaths temnandi uma ufunda ngangikwazi ukubuza uthisha umbuzo ngesikhathi ngifuna ngaso ngingekho afraid ukuthi abantwana mangibuza question ebhedana noma ngawazi question lapho ngizosaba bazongihleka mangiphasa isandla ngisho answer ngangifree ngalonto leyo ngathi okay now zakhala ngifunda 3 subjects a day and mangithi ngikhathele
bawenza grade 1
ngangenza grade 6
okay
ngasikwazi ngishutha izulu lami ngangenza grade 6 and ngifunda ukuthi ngikhathele manje ayisifuna isincengo sasiwamaqala isincengo kuze superstar but sasingazi usama superstar and into emnandi ka but sasitsho ukuthi siyasifundela ngangitsho ukuthi mina ngiactele isikole sami ngangitsho ukuthi ngirepresent isikole sami isikhathi ngiact yayingekho indaba ukuthi kuyasetshenzwa ngangitsho ukuthi mina mangiact ngiyethola ukuthi mina ngipass ngithola ama marks ngiphasela grade 6 ngiyeka grade 7 ngangiactela lokho nje ngiactela ukuthi ngimele isikole sami because into ayisekhanda lami ukuthi ngangihlezi ngibona ingane zakwa esinye isikole emunye yathi mina ngifuna isikole esithize ngifuna ukuthi mina ngirepresent isikole sami noma ngenza nama audition ngiswa eassembly uthisha omkhulu nothisha bathi uThepang ngiyise assembly ukuthi uThepang usitshela ukuthi kuhamba kanjani siyakubona uhamba amahotela so hamba amahotela unama camera kwenzakalani so sebengitreat ngalendlela le special acknowledge bangihlonipha nami ngiyabona njalo ekseni nje ngiye assembly ngiyokhuluma yonke lento aying exciter and ngangibona si pressure isiningi imagine bathi abantu uzovela ku TV kodwa ubusa audition so kwakumele ukuthi ngiyithole le role because balindele ukuthi uzofuma ku TV hey mina ngiyazi lonto mina ngazi ukuthi mina kumele mina ngiwine le role ngithola ama marks isikole siye phezulu. Hayi sehotela kuhlalo kamnandi hotela kube mnandi sisha ama rehearsal in and out. The daily shooting. Yo, angiqala ngibona lanto leyana yo. Angifika ama camera crew abelungu bodwa. I think abantu abamnyama kwakuyithina abantwana nabantu aba crew few. Abantu abebeligcwele lapha nabelungu ama camera angazi ngibona ama camera manga ay camera eyujudge camera ubhaza ama generator imoto traffic cops wherever we go nama traffic cops umgwaqo uyavalwa like makushutha izulu lami kwakungathi city they were creating their own city. Oh like hey kwenzala la itsena lama kune caravel. Icaravel inegama lami, Caravel ineimpahla zami, Caravel la ngihlala khona. Tsepang uHlomi Chili Pies hlala. You mangene eCaravel. This is my room. Like what? And akumele mina ngigqokise isicathulo, akumele ngigqokise, akumele nje. Yonke into ngangiyicelebrate like kithi be president. Why is it treat us so? This life is nice. Hey, ufuna coffee, hey bayakulandela. Hey, ufunani? Hey, ufuna ugqoka isicathulo. Hayi, ungasigqoka isicathulo sokugqokisa. That life was super. And wow, ekseni ke siyashutha. Kune all drop engaka. Sagqokiswa, some makeup. Yonke lento ngiyayiqala nje lento le. Yes, ama camera bese ngana stand because shoota nje ama camera for ama audition and yabo. But lawana ngangiwaqala ngangithi this is a Hollywood. This is a Hollywood. Mina lo. It's I. Yo, never see that day one shoot. Someone again. Them nani shoot izodam shoot 2 scenes a day or 3 scenes the whole day. Shoot only 3 scenes the whole day. Iphinda cut. No. Kurelexiwe nje kutatazela lonke into enzwa nje. Nje yabona nje. Mawukhohlwa amala but thina sasingawakhohlwa amala sasiwazi wonke amala because saba nonyaka wonke sipreparewa senziswa ama workshop sifundiswa. Sayazi uChili Pies waba segazini ngase ngumphila ngase ngasadingi ukuthi ngimcabange because noma ngihlele ekhaya nganginoba uChili Pies ngamabomu because ngiya rehearse yabo. Hoy sashutha saqeda. Masiqeda. Kwenza lento ukuthi now newspapers media hey umuntu seqala uvela emaphepheni there's a movie there's kid this hey umuntu uyayiqala uthayimbo hey ukwenzana hey umuntu uyayiqala ubona ba famous uqala ubona usizibona ku newspaper uthi isishubileke na hey umphakathi ingane siziqala ukubona ku newspaper ayikaphumi izulu lami and izulu lami ama movie lawa amakhulu athatha 2 years 3 years imovie yangempela can take 3 years 5 years ingaphumi busy nayo but izulu lami lathatha salishutha ngo2008 2007 8 9 lapho ngo2009
2 years
2 years to 3 years ikade silence so now after that media yang excite yonke lethu siyayiqala yezalana indaba yaphuma imovie icinema sasiqala ukuyecinema ngangiqala ukuyecinema ngangiqala ukunderstand icinema yini icinema ngangayazi icinema ngayiqala ngokuthi ngibuka izulu lami big screen and kwakuyi launching ke it was huge kwakuyi launch when wakhunywa ngemovie ukuthi ya launchwa ngangiqala ukwazi into ekuthiwa i launching yini media yayilapha yana success technical yonke into ingathi all eyes was on us.
Yeah.
Hey, sasiqala ukubona hey guys we doing something guys. Ngathi thina ithi sesiyabanye abantu manje asisabona la manje thina sizazi sitshela ukuthi siyibona sitsho thina sothepha ngayi ngathi ku more than that now. Hayi man ithi mayiqala izulu lami yo ma goosebumps uyibona ifilimu iqala ubona abelungu angifuni ngamanga izulu lami emasinema lalibukwa abelungu kuphela.
Unamanga.
Telling you this. Izulu lami ecinema lalibuka abelungu kuphela. Umuntu omnyama lapha umuntu vele ophila a middle class or ama class aphezulu. Kodwa ingekho umuntu wasekasi ubuka izulu lami ecinema. Ngiyeza ukuthi why ungikhumbuze futhi lonto le. Izulu lami labuka abelungu icinema was full of what people baphuma bekhala sibuza ba understandana labelungu and enye into ke makwenziwe lonke mabuka imovie mayiqeda iphela imovie iphele nya siyathathwa siswe phambili siyobonga ama directors and producers yonke lonto leyo sukuma belungu beshaya izandla bekhala besijabula why nesikhalisa why then isibuka singabelungu makhala bafethu bas understand it's not all about izulu, it's all about the performance, it's all about the mood, it's all about the feeling. They feel with you. Izulu lami is I won't say it's a first film, but I will say Izulu lami iyona movie last isikhathi eside cinema. There's this thing again ukuthi movie mele once movie last isikhathi eside cinema break record as music now uma wenza music whereby music wakho ufika kuma platinum whatever nathi kuma film because back then because isikhathi esiphila kusona manje asekho about cinemas kakhulu, but back in the days if film yayi last time after 3 weeks it's a jackpot, but Izulu lami last time more than that. I think inyanga ifilm kade inyanga isecinema is something else, so sa break record ngezulu lami by ukuthi ifilm ihlale kakhulu. And then the super mega thing kwa invite isikole sami ukuthi sobuka izulu lami yo ngihleli lapha nebag ecinema ingane zasesikoleni zilapha zonke yo it's mase ngena mina ukuthi qo uvala engabona zonke ingane ziphenduka zimbuka ngithi yo that's one ukuthi isikole sami siyo ngibuka for the first time icinema sonke siyaqala siphume ekasi leyo nto le yangenza ngacabanga ngendlela, so I was like yo vele izulu lami ngase ngilibuka kakhulu because when you move my dad say man hlezi nikhona noma ngadlala 100 times ndiba khona, so ngase ngikwazi ngase ngiright ngemovie, but into engangithusa ingane zasesikolweni what
abantu bakho labo
yo
yeah
engabona abantwana bethuka besho what bang wena lo ikhana lami lingakanani ku TV ina mangisibheka nami ngiyazibona yo yimina lo lokuphelwe ngikwazi kwaba yenye into enkulu engayi appreciate kakhulu. And then esikoleni ngabe siqale bengitreata ngenye indlela
ama teachers
yes. I sing especially abanye sebefuna ukungiphathela isikhwama, abanye bafuna ukungibhalela amanothi amantombazana amahle sesiyasho ukuthi sebaqala uyangibingelela sebangithi wena man wena yabona selento kuchili bhayisi ngathi yenza ngenye indlela yabo noma ngihambe okay ekasi abangangiboni because izulu lami sadlala emasinema. The only abantu abangazi abasekasi isikole sami, but ekasi akakaziwa, but into enza ukuthi izulu lami lazi ukuthi ama newspaper kuyaphuma kuyabhalwa ngalo liya advertise ukuthi kune movie edlala icinema blah 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 yabo, but abazi ukuthi ngikhona lapha. Izulu lami ukuze mina ngaziwe kangaka noma izulu lami laziwe kangaka I won't say icinema because lalibukwa abelungu. Into enza ukuthi izulu lami laziwe kwakusakhona lento okudampa ama CDs whereby abantu we copywriting fake film. I would say yes, I would say yeah right yeah wrong ngani vele sasingenza imali ngalokho, but yaba right because yakwazi ukuthi accommodate abantu basekasi abantu basemakhaya because abantu basemakhaya sasinama DVDs isikhathi ama DVDs so sesikwazi uku-afforda ukuthi sithenge, and izulu lami iyona movie yayi number 1 emafilimini amkokotelo. Uma ufuna ukuthenga imovie yomkokotelo ucabanga izulu lami ucabanga abotsotsi ucabanga lamafilimu abo yesterday but izulu lami kokuyona number 1 film okwazi ukuthi ufike estradeni uyithole easy mina babe nekuthi baze bangidayiseleke ngithi ngiyahambela nje nali izulu lami enye ibhala uthi chili bites ngidayisela umuntu unikeza mina nomuntu uyabona ukuthi mina no ngithi ukuthi kwasadumela ukuthi sometimes isiphatha kabi but mina was young angangekho lapho nganganandaba mina ukuthi but mina ngijabule ukuthi abantu bazokwazi ukuthi bangibone babuthola ichance ukuthi bayazi izulu lami.
Quick one, how much were you paid for the role?
For the role ngangithola irole the whole thing ngathola 10k
10,000.
yeah 10,000 for irole ya Chili Bites. But that 10,000 was a big man for me because the reason why ngisho njalo ngangumuntu oqala othola imali engako kwifamily yami yasekhaya because baba wami betohoza noma wami betohoza bengasebenzi, so I'm the first guy ekhaya wathola nje i-check right, and then ngalo check leyo we managed to buy a house because vele thina besisuka eThembisa. I mean I was born eThembisa Ivory Park, it's where I was born, but abazali bami abasematatiyela. Basi mina ke ngatholelwa eThembisa, so sehla saye eMatatiyela, ngakhulela eMatatiyela ngalusa khona. Sasuka eMatatiyela seza eThekwini siza ngane na siza ngokuthi silandela ubaba uyasebenza usihlala kephi uhlala kaAnti meseke mehlala kaAnti obvious uAnti a develop yathola indawo entsha ashiya ubaba abiza ifamily yakhe ingane zakhe thina labo sifike sihlale kube kamnandi bese kuba khona ke inkinga ze family between Auntie nobaba ke luckily lezo inkinga zenzeka I'm shooting izulu lami. After shooting lami I got paid. Ubaba wangibuza ukuthi mangibuye esikoleni ubaba wangibuza ukuthi nayi imali yakho mina imali how ubusebenza phela you remember ubushuthi izulu lami so sebengiholelile hayibo besisebenza mina bengazi kanento lena senzela isikole noma ama marks because mina ngilindele ukuthi mina ngiyaphasa ngilindele ama marks imali athi ngibhekisa imali engaka ngiqala ukubona imali engakayani tsaye yakho tsebanga so now decide ukwenzani ngayo oh okay hayi baba yazini thola indawo noma uthola umuzi noma one room.
Yeah. So you were paid 10k without royalties.
Tina, we don't know royalties. For me, I don't know ukuthi ama royalties akhona. Angwazi bengizothi akhona if bengwathola. Mina what I know.
Were you aware ukuthi izulu lami lenze malini overall?
I can say ngangibona ukuthi izulu lami lenze imali because ngabona ngesinema.
Yeah.
It's a movie obviously bukwa belungu and it's been repeating and then ibe demand back ayiphumi kwi charts whatever into engayisho so from there and beside that izulu lami before lidlala South Africa laqale ladlala the whole countries then lagcina South Africa like masibona South Africa ngazuthi it's the first time kanti iqale isirculate kuma countries then ize ekhaya isidani we won ama award amaningi kuma countries amaningi.
Just to move a little bit forward. After acting on obviously playing the role on Izulu Lami as Chili Bite, did you continue with acting or you just went to school?
Definitely I continued with school. Ngaqhubeka ne-acting.
What other movie did you went into?
I did Othello Burning. I did At Elena's Age from International. I did Layla for Real from International. I did Uzimele local. I did Home Sweet Home local. I did Shambok local. I did Imaning ne. Which one I'm forgetting?
There's a couple.
I did Ngithande. I did a couple, but lawe ngwabala ngiwakhumbulayo. I'm sorry lawe ngakhumbuli but akhona. Yeah.
Why do you think actors in South Africa are struggling?
Because of the industry. the way industry ngakhona industry they are struggling because acting akuyona mina I would say acting ungayithatha as a career ithathe njenge hobby because acting I sustain living acting is all about talent. Food is not all about talent anymore. It's all about ukuthi are you a character lesifuna now? Are you matching the character lesifunayo manje? Asinandaba manje ukuthi une talent noma una talent. Futhi enye into sesinokuthi oh how many followers do you have? Oh this guy ku TikTok is doing well social media wise. We need him. Because uzokwenza ukuthi show even more nama viewers. So it's whereby inkinga iqala khona ngoba it's not all about talent anymore. Mina ngithatha isikhathi uku understand the media, ngithatha isikhathi ungena ku TikTok, uku understand the TikTok because I was like, hayi TikTok ngisho into esho omunye umuntu, hayi this is not acting man. Mina I want the raw acting. Mina ngi-creator. Yabo? So I don't understand this thing until impilo ingfoster the way impilo ingakhona ngabothi no man yonke esebenzayo le ayangene nami ku-industry angisifundisa angene and it's working. Yabo? So now I will say why be struggleisha is because vele imisebenzi ayikho kwa acting. Awukho umsebenzi at all and noma utholile yazi what noma utholile bazoyenza sure ukuthi bakhatha your days. Mina ever since ngasebenza angazi ukusebenze u 30 days because mina my normally per day my call ibizwa ngani into le mangizoshoot ngihola malini per call 2.5 but see u 2.5 angazi ngishaya u 30 days ever longazalwa longaqala acting industry and ngihlezi ngisho ukuthi yabo mangase ngithole u 30 days ngalo 2.5 ngingenza impilo yami ibe ngcono but kunalokho bazokwenza sure ukuthi ngithole u 3 days noma u 5 days.
How much do you charge when in a day?
Mina per day ngigcine ngu 2.5
but
I started izulu lami ngangicharge 500 per call not like ngidecide I contract efikisho njalo. Yeah, it's mesukuba kuwena ukuthi how do you negotiate lo.
I think you deserve more, man. You're an international star.
You think so, ne?
I think you deserve way more, to be honest with you.
Yeah, thanks bro, thanks.
I don't think these producers should disrespect you like that.
Yeah, because and any into bafo I'm a SAFTA award winner and I'm Academy award winner. So angisho ukuthi ngistar ngalokho. No. Ngizibuza ukuthi why makumele ngithole umsebenzi kumele ngiauditione or why ama production angabazi because not like mina ngenza izulu lami ngaqeda ngathi hayi ngistar bazongifonela ngiyenza ama audition in and out ama audition akhazaza because they train you and abusuphelelwe imali yokugibela yabo ungaya ku audition kusasa uye uthole enye next week uye uthole enye next week uye kwenzakalani kuhamba imali and awenze imali yabo. Okay fine ngiyafika ku Chili Bites awukwazi ukubona ukuthi ke asiyeke indaba yeaward italent awuliboni yini yabo italent awuliboni or maybe mina engisekhonini mhlawumbe mina engizivalele khonini angazi but I won't say mina ngizivalele khonini because the way I hustle I feel like I'm still relevant. I feel like I'm still relevant because of my hustle. Njengala mafilimi engikubalele wona ngange ngiwathole ngihlele khonini ngange ngiwathole ngithi ngizolinda bangifonele.
You were hustling.
Yeah, I was hustling. Ngangihamba ngiseshe ngizwe ngithole mangitholile ngihambe mase wonke lama production lawo engiwasebenzelile I respect them in the highest level because they respected my craft. They knew who I am. They knew ukuthi ngingenza into yenzeke. Ababanga nalento ukuthi
So what are you working on now? Are you shooting any movie?
Now nginama acting classes engiwavulile to uplift other kids because what I know ukuthi acting ngayiqala ngisemncane. So mawuyingane umqondo wakho uba sharp ukhula nayo futhi mawukhula ufunda acting azikho izinto ezokudistracta njengomuntu omdala uzodistract ukuthi hey mina ngeke manje mina ngiyenza ama audition hey imali le yabo ingane ayikho ayinayo lomqondo njalo ingane iyenza into eyithandayo yabo ibona mase ubona masukhulile uthi eshina ama struggles akanje but ke lokho ngoba uyingane uyenza ngothando yonke lama struggles lawo wawabona awuna ndaba and then ayakusiza njengami ngangawaboni wonke lama struggles ngiwabonisa ngimdala igame nama struggles nama ups and downs lana kunjena ku bad la ku good lana but I'm glad ukuthi ngiyenze ngisemncane ngisane talent nginganandaba nezinto eziningi focus entweni ukuthi ngiyenza lokho so ngavula ama acting classes. The reason why ngavula ama acting classes because my director my mentor Madoda Ncayana wayesemakhona ama film festival, international film festival, Durban film festival, Johannesburg film festival wayengibiza as a reference yabo yakhe and at the same time ngimlekelene nami ngafunda lapho so wow this thing I can do this because each and every time maybe invite ukuthi ezo workshop uhlezi nami ngikhona so ngakhula ngifunda workshop ngakhula ngifundisa abantu ngikhula ngishare ngabothi why not ngingayiqhubeki lento ngifundisa abanye abantwana and ngifundisa abantwana kuphela ngifundisa nisho nabantu abadala isikole engisivule I think I have more than 5 years ngisivulile but bengigxile kakhulu eKZN because I'm from KZN ngikhulele khona eKZN iKZN is where ngiba comfortable khona ngazi wonke amakhona aseKZN but ngase ngithi base bekhala abantu base no chill nathi sawadinga eJohannesburg sawadinga eMpumalanga sawadinga eCape Town ngathi mina ngeke ngikwazi ukuya eJohannesburg ngoba eJohannesburg ngathi lento eTV ningi yabo because vele ama studios aseJohannesburg iacting iseJohannesburg ama scammers maningi eJohannesburg so mina mangifika laphana ngizoqala ngakuphi bazongamkela bazocala mhlawumbe ngiscammer ngiyenza njani ngiyasaba I'm skeptical ngalento engiyenza but uNkulunkulu was no try ngatry mangitry abantu abawu2 next week awasekho 2 sebe u5 next week abasekho 5 sebe u10 yabo which means somebody they still respect my talent, they still believe in me and nabo bonke laba sengibafundisi nalabo engibafundisile they believe in me nami I want to make sure ukuthi ngikwazi ukukhomba ngithi yabona that one.
How can people reach out to your classes?
It's easy banga reach out kumina by following ama social media bazothi Chilli Bites ku Facebook bazothi Chilli Bites SA noma baye ku Instagram bathi Chilli Bites uyinja noma baye ku TikTok bathi Chilli Bites uyinja mostly ku Facebook ke ngiposta kakhulu ke bazongibona ngipromoter kunama assist esebenzisana nawa ama artists abacula abangisiza abangilekelelayo abafuna ukuthi ngiye phambili engengibacele mangathi hayi now ngiyenza into kanje nanokuthi okunye into engibhizi ngayo futhi I'm assistant director kwi film production ebizwa ngeSlowman Films. Slowman Films is dealing nama music videos so mina I'm there to assist the director.
Now thank you so much Chilli Bites. I really appreciate you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you for sharing your story. I didn't know so much about you but now I know the person behind Chilli Bites character. So but thank you so much. I really appreciate it.
Kubonga mina kakhulu futhi ngibonga kakhulu nakubabukeli be podcast. Ngithi Chilli Bites uyinja. Danko.